Hey, welcome back. Now, this lecture is where things get really exciting because today we are not just talking about training your pet, we are talking about turning this skill into a side hustle or even a full time career. Let me ask you, have people ever said something like, "Wow, your pet is so well trained. Can you help me train mine?" If yes, you are already closer than you think. Step 1, realize the opportunity. The demand for pet trainer is growing fast. People need help with basic training, behavior problems, puppy training, anxiety and aggression, and most pet owners are willing to pay for results. Start small, no pressure. You don't need a big setup. Begin with helping friends and family, training one or two pets locally, offering some basic sessions. Focus on experience first. Pick your strength. You don't have to do everything. Choose your focus. Puppy training, behavior correction, obedience training, cat training. Cat training is a huge opportunity. Specialization makes you stand out. Build trust through results. Your biggest asset? Results. When you help someone fix a problem, improve behavior, ask for testimonials, reviews, before or after videos, this builds credibility. Use social media smartly. This is very powerful in the modern times. Share training tips, short videos, transformations, whatever you could. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, short form content can bring clients to you. Start earning. You can offer one on one training, online sessions, group classes, or some recorded courses, just like me. Start simple, then scale up. Keep learning. Great trainers never stop improving. Learn new techniques, study behavior, practice regularly. Growth means better results. Be honest and responsible. This is important. Don't promise instant results. Don't take cases you can't handle yet. Build reputation through honesty. Right now, ask yourself, could I help one person with their pet? If yes, that's your starting point. Reach out, offer help, gain experience. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be consistent and helpful. Because people don't just pay for knowledge, they pay for guidance and results. And here's something powerful. You started this journey for your pet, but it can become something much bigger. So, in the final lecture, we'll talk about building your pet brand and online presence. This is where you scale your impact. So, think bigger, take action, and I'll see you in the final lecture.